Cylinder 2. Cylinder 1 was at 200. Cylinder 3. Well, actually the Chevy is probably 135. Not good. 7. 1357. Good. All good but that one. I would have never guessed compression. I would have swore it was injectors. Now, we're over on the other side. 200. Cylinder 2 or 1, I can't see in there. But 3 more cylinders to go. Oh, another cylinder. And that's in the front. Dang it. I was having issues running, rough at idle, decent power, but mainly I could unplug the injectors, all 4 injectors in the rear of the engine, and wasn't doing anything. The forward ones here had the most effect, so I was not, like I said, expecting this at all, so at least I know where to go now. I'm tired of wasting money on electronics, so we're gonna get this baby hooked up. And right, and then spark plugs not good, black, and you can barely see them. There you go, except one plug up here in the front left. One plug clean out of all 8, so yeah, weird. Let's see that one. Oh man, I have no idea how this dang engine. I was pulling skiers last weekend. Nothing. And that's connected. Wow. So 3 cylinders. Only thing I can think of too is, I don't know if it's gonna have an effect, but I changed out the intake last year with carburetor. It ran great. Put the fuel injection back on, it ran crappy. Figured it was fuel injection, but I'm assuming there's a possibility there might be different intake gaskets, and if for some odd reason the cutouts were different, blocking compression from getting in. So I'm gonna have to pull the intake off tomorrow and see. Well, last one. $200 almost. So wow. 2005 Volvo. It's got it says 2004 and the numbers. Very frustrating engine. Nobody can help me. I've changed the computer out here. Originally it was full of water. Put a new one on and got it running on this. Also, we found that this heat exchanger for the fuel system here was getting antifreeze into the fuel. That was another issue. But there's no help online. Nobody can help me on it. But definitely a good boat. Lots of size. It's a Chaparral 236 that I traded for a Sea Ray, so just got stabbed in the leg with these. That was fun. Sweet. Tomorrow.